I'm going to walk you through the best app to buy Polygon and crypto in Australia and New Zealand, how to install the Independent Reserve mobile app, set up, verify your account, and make your first trade. Be sure to like and subscribe for our latest content and exclusive offers. Polygon launched in 2017 with an intention to address the problems of scaling and efficiency that several blockchain networks, like Ethereum, were experiencing. Polygon operates as a second layer on top of the Ethereum blockchain. It aims to connect and grow Ethereum-compatible projects and blockchains. With Ethereum's blockchain growing in popularity, so have its number of transactions, thus making smaller investments slow and expensive. To address this, you can bridge some of your crypto over to Polygon, then interact with a wide range of popular crypto platforms and protocols with cheap fees and almost instant transaction times. Polygon can increase the flexibility, scalability, and sovereignty of a blockchain project, while still affording the security, interoperability, and structural benefits of the Ethereum blockchain. What's the best app to buy Polygon with in Australia and New Zealand? We use Independent Reserve. It is one of Australia's oldest and most trusted crypto exchanges. Their mobile app makes the process of buying crypto, securing your wallet, and tracking your portfolio a breeze. Independent Reserve is our choice over the likes of CoinSpot, SwiftX, or BTC markets. Independent Reserve has some of the lowest fees in the industry, starting from 0.5%. With the competition, you would pay around 2 to 10 times more per transaction. You wouldn't pay 2 to 10 times more for petrol, so why pay 2 to 10 times more in crypto fees? Independent Reserve is an inclusive exchange catering to everyone from beginners to expert investors, businesses, and self-managed super funds. They offer 24/7 support and world-class certified, secure underground vaults to protect your crypto. The mobile app is super easy to use and includes some powerful tools such as dollar cost averaging, buy and sell limit orders through to stop loss mechanics. They have partnered with KPMG to develop their built-in tax estimator to make managing your tax records a breeze. Watch till the end to find out about our special viewer offer. How to buy Polygon in Australia and New Zealand with Independent Reserve. Firstly, head over to the Apple or Google Play Store to install the Independent Reserve mobile app on your phone. Then simply sign up, create and verify your account. If you don't have an Independent Reserve account yet, click here to watch our video on how to set up an account. It's a simple process. Once you have verified your account, just log into the app to get started. Today, we are going to walk through the simplest way to place a Polygon order. You are going to need some money in your account before you can trade. So let's transfer some cash to kick things off. Go to the Wallet tab on the bottom and choose the Quick Deposit option. There are a couple deposit options to choose from. Today, I'm going to use PayID via Osco, as it's nearly a real-time deposit of funds. Next, click your preferred deposit type. Then, follow the prompts which are needed to make a deposit from your internet bank account. Next, on my internet banking app, I've entered the Independent Reserve deposit details using Osco, including the dollar amount, and clicked confirm to process the deposit. Next minute, my mobile app is topped up in near real time. Now we can go ahead and place a market order. Your order will go straight to the market maker and it will match you with a seller at the current market price. To purchase Polygon, click the Markets tab from the bottom menu. You can either scroll and find the coin or simply search for Polygon. Once you click on Polygon, click Buy and then enter the amount of Polygon you would like to purchase. Today, I will purchase $50 of Polygon. Next, click Buy and then click Place Order for it to be processed. It's as simple as that. Your order will be placed into the market and be filled at the market price. You will get a settlement confirmation that the order has been placed successfully. By clicking the Portfolio tab on the bottom menu bar, you will also see that your account balance and coin holding values are updated to reflect your purchase. From the portfolio, I can also bring up a list of my current holdings, their value, charts, and more. You can easily browse token charts with a 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 1 year, or by all-time view. You can also click on the History tab to view your order history. When you want to sell your Polygon, it's as easy as selecting Polygon and then clicking Sell. From here, you can enter the amount of token to sell on the top field. Bazinga! It's as simple as that to start your crypto journey. We have partnered with Independent Reserve on an exclusive offer of a $10 credit to our viewers. Click the link in the description to claim your $10 credit today. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. Leave a comment below and tell us what you're planning to invest in. See you next time.